How to watch adult videos on YouTube. So yeah guys, let's start the video. So in this video I'm going to be show you guys how you can watch adult videos, 18 plus content on YouTube. So all you need to do guys, if you want to watch this, open the YouTube, make sure you are on iOS or Android or computer. It's the same method, so you can use all devices. So yeah guys, so first off, open the YouTube, and after that tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the settings gear. It is visible top right corner of the screen, and now you guys tap on the general option. So it is the first option, general option, below the account. So you're gonna tap on the general, and now you will see the restricted mode. So make sure you have enabled this option, and disable this option. So this helps to hide potentially mature videos, no filters, 100% accurate videos. So you're gonna tap on it and it will be disabled, and after that restricted mode is disable. So after this adult videos, adult content, it will be show in your YouTube, and you can easily watch the adult content on YouTube. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos guys. See you soon, bye.